said I never wanna see your face again, 'cause you are loving, yes, you're loving somebody else. And I knew, oh yes, I knew I could control myself. And now they bring you back into my life again. And so I put on a face just like your friends. But I think you know, oh yes, you know what's going on. 'Cause the feelings in me, oh yes, in me are burning strong. But I will never be your stepping stone. Take it all or leave me alone. I will never be your stepping stone. I'm standing upright on my own. You used to call me up from time to time, and it would be so hard for me not to cross the line. The words of love lay on my lips just like a curse. And I knew, oh yes, I knew that only make it worse. And now you have the nerve to play along, just like the maestro beats in your song. You get your kicks from playing me. And the less you give, the more I want, so foolishly. But I will never be a stepping stone. Take it all or leave me alone. I will never be a stepping stone. I'm standing upright on my own.
When the rain is blowing in your face and the whole world is on your case, I could offer you a warm embrace to make you feel my love. When the evening shadows and the stars appear, and there is no one there to dry your tears, I could hold you for a million years to make you feel my love. I know you haven't made your mind up yet, but I will never do you wrong. I've known it from the moment that we met. No doubt in my mind where you belong. I go hungry, I go black and blue. I go crawling down the avenue. No, there's nothing that I wouldn't do to make you feel my love. And on the highway of regret, the winds of change are blowing wild and free. You ain't seen nothing like me yet. I could make you happy, make your dreams come true. Nothing that I wouldn't do. Go to the ends of the earth for you, to make you feel my love, to make you feel my